Exposing the reality in global crises. What do you do if World War III breaks out? Let's break it down step by step so you're not caught off guard. First things first, don't panic. Stay calm because your brain is your best survival tool. Next, get informed. Tune in to official news channels, radio, or emergency broadcasts. Social media is full of rumors, so stick to trusted sources. If you're told to evacuate, do it quickly. Have a go bag ready with water, snacks, meds, important documents, a flashlight, and some cash. Don't forget chargers and a power bank. If you're told to shelter in place, find a safe spot at home, preferably away from windows and with plenty of supplies. Stock up on water, canned food, and a basic first aid kit now, not later. Check on your family and neighbors, especially those who might need help, like the elderly or young kids. Stay connected, but don't overload the phone lines. Text if you can, and remember, your mental health matters too. Take breaks from the news, talk to loved ones, and do what you can to stay positive. The world hopes we never need these tips, but being prepared beats being scared. So stay smart, stay safe, and look out for each other, no matter what the headlines say.